Hey everyone, before we jump into the FAQ, we just want to take a moment to thank you all for the amazing welcome that you gave to our very first presentation video. Thanks to your support and shares, it really helped the project get noticed. There were a lot of comments under the presentation videos, so today I'll try to answer some of your questions. Oh, and we're also looking for a new name, because FairPlay is already copyrighted. If you have any ideas, go ahead and drop them in the comments. First, what kind of data can I expect FairPlay to collect? In fact, we collect very little. Email, encrypted password, username, profile picture, and banner. We also use a single cookie used for the info banner. We don't resell any of your data, no advertising trackers, and we are 100% privacy respecting. Will there be mobile, Android, and Linux support for FairPlay? Yes, community members on our Discord are already working on versions for those platforms. Will there be any recommendation algorithm like on other video hosting platforms? Nope. Instead, you will fully customize your own feed using the tag system. No algorithm pushing you into an endless loop. You stay in control of what you see. But why not just use PeerTube? Because PeerTube is decentralized and not really moderated. It's open to everything, which often leads to low-quality, chaotic content. FairPlay is centralized, moderated, and has a human filter to ensure consistent quality. What kind of content is allowed or not allowed on FairPlay? Some of the things that are allowed on FairPlay are documentaries, tutorials, educational videos, podcasts, personal projects, art, culture, programming, and similar. We also allow fictional content such as animation or short films, including non-realistic violence, as long as it's contextualized and not gratuitous. We also allow debate, criticism, or controversial topics as long as they are treated with intellectual honesty, clear sourcing, and non-propagandist tone. Many of the things that are not allowed are real-life violence, graphic or disturbing imagery. We don't allow political or non-safe for work content, low-effort videos, including auto-generated videos with no human input or added value, content created purely to farm views without research, structure, or originality, recycled or templated content with little to no editing, narration, or personal contribution. We also don't allow content that misleads, manipulates, or spreads harmful disinformation, especially if it contradicts established scientific consensus without stating it clearly as a personal or speculative view. Is this something that would be considered censorship? No. FairPlay is an open speech free-for-all. It's themed, moderated, quality-driven space. It's not about silencing voices. It's about maintaining clear editorial vision and purpose. Can I upload any kind of video? No. At the moment, every video is reviewed and approved by 2 human moderators before being published. The goal is zero toxic, misleading, and low-effort content. What about copyright? Creators can apply a custom license to their content, example, Creative Commons. If downloading is allowed, a download button will appear. Moderation helps prevent abuse or illegal sharing. Why not just allow sensitive or violent content with age restrictions or warnings? Because we want clear boundaries. No filters or gray areas. If we allow violent or not safe for work content, the platform becomes like every other one out there. FairPlay's identity is built on intentional content curation and a safe, neutral space. Will there be ads? There will be no forced ads, but we do offer optional ads. Users can choose to watch an ad to support their creator. Support options include coffee, merch, and subscriptions, with extra features like custom themes. All funds go towards running the platform, and any surplus is shared with the creators. No personal profit. FairPlay stays community-driven and transparent. How will video storage be handled? We are currently trying to acquire a 14 terabyte SAN server to get started. We're also looking into using efficient codecs like AV1. Can FairPlay's model actually work? It's definitely a challenge, but here's why we think it can. We already have an active community on Discord of 350 plus members. There is a real demand for a calm, curated space online, and we're fully open source with a free API, we're transparent, and redistributing any revenue to creators. As a final word, FairPlay isn't for everyone. It is for people who want to slow down, learn, share, create, and contribute to something meaningful. If you're tired of being trapped in endless algorithm loops, tired of fake news, toxicity, and even AI spam, this might be the place for you. Once again, a huge thank you to everyone for your continuous support, your feedback, and for being part of this journey from the start. If you would like to contribute or join the community, please don't hesitate to hop on our Discord server. The link will be in the description.